Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, as you can see behind me, I'm at the Red Caboose Motel, and unfortunately, all the caboose are booked up tonight. I think it was said earlier, anywhere from $80 to about $230 a night, but we'll take a drive around and check this place out. So let's go, and I'll take the drone up also. The Red Caboose Motel Restaurant, gift shop, and ice cream. Let's check this place out. Take a walk inside the lobby, which is, of course, is a train. Old dining car. A whole gift shop in here. We'll head down this way. Kinds of things to buy. Oh, you can go up and eat in the dining car. A lot of Thomas the Tank Engine stuff. Another dining car on this side you can eat at. Red Caboose Motel. Nice bar here.
No, Grandma's getting something for you. What's your grandma?
Big.
Those are hot.
Place is busy.
Oh, did you buy one? Did you buy that?
Of course, this part is closed down for the night, but you can do horse and buggy rides over here. There's a small vending depot. You get some candy, some snacks. There's a little arcade in there. Little petting area. There's ponies, pigs. I'm not sure what other animals they have besides those two. There's the Hotel Shady Rest. And then back here, all these caboose you can stay in, anywhere from $80 to about $230 a night. Let's go check those out. I don't think we can go inside because they're all booked up for tonight. Well, I guess we'll start this way here. I don't know how many caboose they have, but looks like about 75. All different shape and I don't know what I was saying there. All different shapes and sizes. I guess we can go up in here. Wow, what a great idea. This is about 10 minutes down from the Strasburg Museum. All right, we're gonna have to U-turn here. like the Santa Fe and the Union Pacific. But I think my favorite one is coming right up here. Train number 14. Lionel Lines. I like that one. There's a few more back there. I see the highest number I see, I think, is 41. So I would imagine that would be 41 cabooses they have here that you can stay at. Well, that was pretty cool, the Red Caboose Motel. Like I said earlier, unfortunately it's all booked up, but we got to drive around and look at all the different cabooses. Of course, my favorite one is the one behind me, the Lionel one. And we took the drone up to get a bird's eye view. Very colorful, all these different cabooses. And next time I come out here to Strasburg, Pennsylvania, I think I'm gonna have to book a room out here. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.